Get ready to flip, fill, and enjoy. Crispy crepes are coming your way. So, let's get started.
Come on, baby, take a leap of faith.
To make the crispy crepe, start by lightly spraying a wok with cooking oil. Then use a brush to spread the oil evenly across the surface. To achieve a crispy exterior, we'll use 10-inch spring roll wrappers. Place 4 pieces on each side of the wok. Also, we need to work fast before the wrapper dries out. Next, we're going to spread ½ cup of custard. You can use a pre-made custard from a can or a powdered custard mix that you can prepare with sugar and milk. Next, we'll add slices of banana. Feel free to experiment with different fillings. For a sweet flavor, berries or chocolate are a delicious options. If you prefer a savory crepe, try filling it with scrambled eggs, bacon, or sausage. For a bit of crunch, sprinkle a quarter cup of walnut. The walnuts also give a nice earthy flavor to the treat. And finally, we're going to add a drizzle of Nutella, which takes any sweet crepe to the next level. Also, is a childhood favorite that never goes out of style. To finish, bring all 4 corners of the wrapper together to create a neat square shape. Just be careful when folding the wrapper to avoid tearing it. At the same time, ensure a tight seal to keep the filling secure. Now it's time to turn off the stove to medium heat. Give the top of the crepe a light spray of cooking oil and brush it evenly. About 4 to 5 minutes, gently flip the crepe over. And continue cooking until all sides are crispy and golden brown. Let's dress up our crepe. Dust with powdered sugar, drizzle with Nutella, and add a few fresh raspberries for a burst of tartness. And there you have it, friends. A crispy, delicious crepes filled with banana, custard, Nutella, and walnuts. So get ready for a flavor and texture party in your mouth. Gooey, sweet, crunchy, and crispy is the ultimate crepe experience. So, if you enjoyed this simple dessert recipe, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.